you compare these three different layers of your mind, obviously you'll see that the most of the part is below the ocean, isn't it? And if you compare this with a PC, what happens in a PC? What is the most important part? The hard drive, and the next one, the RAM. So hard drive is what? Where all the data is stored. So these two layers are just like your hard drive. All your experiences, your training, formal, informal, everything is stored here. And the conscious mind is just like your RAM, which extracts the data in a given situation and makes you ready to respond. And therefore, we need to probe all these three different layers, because this is how things work. This is how you respond in a given situation. So if you look at what is there in these three different layers, the last one, the unconscious, is the layer, the deepest layer of your mind, wherein most of your experiences which had a severe impact or serious impact or a major impact on your psyche since childhood. Mostly those dark experiences. Say if somebody had a drowning experience, now he will develop what? Hydrophobia, water phobia. Somebody had an experience of being locked in a dark room where he developed what? Claustrophobia. So these are certain aspects which normally in a given normal situation will not affect your performance. You will behave normally. The moment you face similar situation, no, you are not normal. And therefore these things are not going to be good, obviously, for a defense leader in a defense scenario, because mostly you will be facing those stressful situations. So agar kuch aisa issue hai, you have some certain fears in your mind that needs to be looked into, and which is there in the deepest layer. And which is the technique which addresses this layer? Out of these three techniques, the psych, the GTO and the IO? The psych. So psych uses the TAT to get into your unconscious, forms the overall opinion, and thereafter he assesses you by going into your subconscious using WAT, and then further into your conscious mind using the SRTs. If you look at the central layer, that is your subconscious, this is the place where all your trainings, your beliefs, your value system, everything is tagged there. And this is the main aspect which addresses or helps you in responding to the various situations or the tasks which you are supposed to handle. Now, what is subconscious mind having? Now, for that you must understand one important thing, that is about your behavior. So we all have two types of behavior. One is very controlled behavior, wherein you are in absolute control of your behavior, कि भाई मुझे ऐसे सिचुएशन में इसी तरह से बिहेव करना है, इस तरह से रिस्पॉन्ड करना है. एंड द अनदर वन इज योर स्पॉन्टेनियस बिहेवियर. स्पॉन्टेनियस बिहेवियर क्या होता है? व्हेन यू आर इन अ डायनेमिक सिचुएशन, इन अ स्ट्रेसफुल सिचुएशन, नाउ यू आर नो मोर इन कंट्रोल ऑफ योरसेल्फ. नाउ योर बिहेवियर इज मोर spontaneous. So person may be, if he is say short tempered or anxiety prone or certain issues, तो अब ये dynamic situation में क्या होगा? He will no more be in a no more control, but he will now start responding spontaneously. वो अचानक से he'll start shouting or he'll get irritated, because that is his basic nature. Now to get to know this spontaneous behavior, because this is your real self. ये सारे आपके ओवरऑल पर्सनैलिटी के एक्चुअल सेल्फ के पार्ट हैं. तो हाउ डू आई गेट टू सी योर स्पॉन्टेनियस बिहेवियर? आई गॉट टू पुट यू इन अ डायनेमिक सिचुएशन. और ये डायनेमिक सिचुएशन में मैं कैसे डालूंगा आपको? डायनेमिक सिचुएशन में डालने के लिए I would give you a task. तो टास्क क्या होता है? How does, when you do a task, how does it become dynamic? Because अब वो task itself is creating a stress on you. To be done within a given time is giving you another stress, and then is the stress of the group dynamics itself. Different kind of people are there in the group. So when this kind of dynamics are there, obviously your behavior will be more spontaneous. एंड नॉट कंट्रोल्ड। तो जो आपके जो फसाड होता है, हम सबके एक नकाब होता है, हमारे सबके पर्सनैलिटी में, बिहेवियर में एक नकाब होता है, वेर यू ट्राई टू प्रोजेक्ट योर सेल्फ एज दी बेस्ट और अ वेरी गुड वेल मैनर्ड गुड ह्यूमन बीइंग वाला, वी ऑलवेज ट्राई टू प्रोजेक्ट। बट अगर आपके पर्सनैलिटी में इश्यूज हैं, then in a dynamic situation your spontaneous behavior will give out those input about those problem areas of your behavior, and that is why we create this dynamic situation in the group testing and get into your subconscious and identify your true personality. Fine.
कुछ सपने सिर्फ करियर नहीं होते, कुछ अपने राष्ट्र सेवा की पहचान बनते हैं। वेतन के लिए नहीं, वतन के लिए। टॉपर्स की पहली पसंद, रक्षा क्षेत्र की पुख्ता तैयारी के लिए प्रख्यात, भारत के रक्षा क्षेत्र में सर्वाधिक सफलता देने वाला संस्थान सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी। लगातार AIR 123 एवं टॉप रैंकर्स देने वाला संस्थान। NDA, CDS, AFCAT, MNS, SSB इंटरव्यू एवं फाउंडेशन कोर्स की उत्कृष्ट तैयारी। चीफ डिफेंस एग्जाम मेंटोर एवं साइकोलॉजी एक्सपर्ट शिशिर दीक्षित सर और उनकी प्रोफेशनल टीम ऑफ मेंटोर्स के मार्गदर्शन में, जहां तैयारी सिर्फ परीक्षा की नहीं, नेतृत्व, अनुशासन और ऑफिसर्स लाइक क्वालिटीज की होती है। एडमिशंस ओपन नाउ। सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी। टॉपर्स बनने की नहीं, ऑफिसर बनने की तैयारी।